Welcome to the welcome to my new video. In this one, I'm gonna be teaching you everything that I wish I knew. Everything that I wish I knew when I first learned what trading was. And all you need to do is give me the next 15 minutes of your day. And if you can't watch it right now, if you can't watch this video from beginning to end, then just copy the link, put it in your notes, and save it for later. Now, if you guys don't know me, my name is Adrian. Now, if you guys don't know me, my name is Raza, and I've been trading for the last 6 years. And honestly, I've been profitable for only 4 out of those 6 years. I used those first 2 years to learn and basically lose and learn. And yeah, it was the painful learning. It was 2 years of painful learning, back testing, and everything. But after those 2 years, now I've been consistently making over 7 figures every single year trading. Now, I trade every single market, and everything that I'm about to teach you works for crypto, stocks, forex, everything. Gold, it does not matter. NAS 100, everything. Every single market, it works for that. As long as it has candlesticks, it will work. Let's start the timer right now. 15 minutes, pow. Actually, let's start it from the beginning of the video. Okay, so number one, focus on studying and focus. Okay, so number one, focus on studying and mastering one strategy. There is no need to lose money right away. There's no need to even trade with a demo account. Look, a lot of mentors, a lot of people on the internet are gonna go and tell you to either start, lose all your money, and then take it seriously, or to start with a demo account with a half-ass, with basically not even knowing a strategy. And they want you to do that so that you pay them as much money as possible and just stay inside of their course loop. But I'm here to just tell you the truth. You don't need to start trading with a demo account. You don't need to start losing your own money for the first 6 months. All you're gonna do is at first you're gonna learn a strategy, the same one, and not strategy swap. No, you can take the first month if you really, really want to look at, different strategies. Let's say maybe ICT works for you, maybe moving averages work for you, maybe support and system works for you. It doesn't matter. Or 3M trading. What matters is that after you choose the strategy that you're going to learn, you're going to keep that same strategy and use those same tools for the rest of your trading career or up until you're profitable. And that's not going to take a month. That's not going to take 2 months. It's not going to take 3 months. It's going to take more, or at least 6 months. So before all that, there is no need for you to go and lose money or even go and waste your time with a demo account. No. So focus on studying and mastering one strategy. Number two, see trading as an internship. You don't get paid until you become the CEO. In trading, you don't get paid until you become the CEO. Trading is the only job where you only start getting paid until you become the CEO. What I mean by this, it means that this whole time you're learning, looking at the markets, you're doing all this, you're backtesting, you're journaling, you're mastering just strategy. You're not going to be getting paid a penny. At least not from learning, no. So treat it as an internship. You're going to go in to learn. You're going to go in to learn a skill and move up the ranks. At first, you're going to be a beginner. You're not going to know anything at all. And then after, you're going to move up again. You're going to master your strategy. You're going to know the ins and outs. But you're not done yet. Mastering a strategy does not mean that you're going to be, it doesn't even mean that you're profitable, no. So what do? After you master your strategy, you go and you backtest and journal at least 1,000 trades. And then after you've done that, you can go and practice with a demo account. What's the demo account gonna do at this point? It's not for you to master your strategy because you've already done that. It's not for you to know if your strategy works because you've already done that through backtesting and journaling. What demo trading is gonna do is show you is getting you used to being a trader, waking up at certain times, moving your schedule around. Because that's another thing that's super hard is being there and not missing trades and making sure that from Monday to Friday you're there at the right times. Because some of you, maybe you're used to waking up at 10, 11 a.m. But with trading, you're going to have to at least wake up at 6 a.m. You're going to have to probably wake up maybe at 4 a.m., at 6 a.m., depending on your time zone. So that's what the demo account is going to get you used to. So that's why a demo account is going to help you. Because it's going to get you used to a schedule. It's going to get you used to actually being a trader. Because trading is a lifestyle. From Monday to Friday, it's a job where you have to go to your setup, sit down, and hit the trades and be there present to make sure that you don't lose them, to make sure that you don't miss them. So, see trading as an internship, and as always, have some patience. Number 3, to be completely honest with you, this is kind of like my plug here to put myself out there, to show you guys. And this is where you guys get a chance to work with me. So, get a mentor in a community where everyone has the same mission. That mentor, of course, having the mission of making you profitable. And the community where everyone inside of there, which it could either be a WhatsApp community, it could be a Discord community, a Telegram community, it doesn't matter. But everybody has the same mission, which is become a profitable trader, which is to change their life with day trading. I remember when I first started, bro, to be completely honest with you, I was just there on YouTube trying to do it for free, right? And for me, it didn't work. I have some friends that have done it like that, and I know some people that are super successful, and I know some traders that are super successful that have been able to never have a mentor and never have a community and get through it. But the same thing as like when you go to school, you have a teacher and you have a classroom, a community of like-minded individuals that help each other. So when you're so as soon as I found my mentor, which I found him on YouTube the same way that you just found me, everything changed. He helped me get from point A to point B without struggling. Because me personally, I work in a way where if I see something structured, I can actually get it done. Right? I know what I knew. He told me what I had to do from Monday to Friday to learn. Actually, it was Monday to Sunday to learn how to trade, how he had done it, which is the same thing that you can do with me. If my videos resonate with you, and if you think that and if my strategy, the way that I trade and the way that I see trading could help you, then of course check the links down below. But don't take me. But don't just take my word or my profits. You can go ahead and also check the links below for the testimonials of my past students. I've helped over 1,000 people become profitable students, become profitable traders. Of course, it was not for free. But to be honest, and I'm not here to lie to you, I just want to be completely transparent. I believe in energy. And I believe that if I give you something, I should be getting something in return. And I know that my time is valuable. So the same way that you go and pay a university professor to teach you for 5 to 10 years, I think it's fair. I know it's fair that I also get compensated for my time because I'm literally teaching you basically the money glitch. So, enough of that. Check the links down below for that. And of course, I have a full free course that you can check down below. It's more than 5 hours long, and honestly, is the best free course out there. The best free course out there. You literally can gain. You get more information out of that free course from trading than a lot of what these gurus are like teaching you for $100 a month. So make sure to get that. And now that we're here, hit that like, hit that sub. But let's go back into the video. Yes, get a mentor in a community where everybody has the same. It doesn't have to be me. It doesn't have to be my community. You can go ahead, if another person on the internet, resonates more with you, or you connect more with them, they go ahead and give them your money. But just make sure that you apply yourself. And last but not least, understand how serious trading really is. Because at the end of the day, you're literally generating money out of thin air with some candlesticks, with a mouse and a monitor. Trading has no income ceiling, which means that you can literally make as much as you want. It's called the compounding effect, right? With trading, as long as you don't withdraw and you always risk the same amount, your first amount could be $1,000. Let's say you're risking $1,000. And that's your 1% with a 100K account, let's say. But then after you double the amount, you grow the account to 200K. Now your 1% is gonna be $2,000, and the same thing keeps on going. It's like a snowball effect. So, if you have the ability, so if you're learning the ability to make more money than a surgeon, why should it take you less than a year? Less than 6 months? And if that's how long it's going to take you, because in reality you can, why wouldn't you apply yourself? And I'm not saying trading is for everybody, no. But trading really is for everyone that's willing to put the work. Because it's the same thing. So why would you take it as a game? Why would you take it as a game? And I'm going to say it again. Surgeons go to school for over a decade sometimes to make $300,000, $400,000, $500,000 a year. There is, and to be honest, there is an income ceiling. For when you're, and to be honest, I'm pretty sure that there is an income ceiling for surgeons. Not many surgeons out there are gonna be making more than $1 million a year. But I know multiple traders making over $1 million every single month. And like I said, trading is a lifestyle. It's something that you have to be there day in and day out, every single day. And after years and years and years, I'm still learning, I'm still backtesting, I'm still journaling. So understand how serious this is. So understand how serious trading is. Don't treat it as a game. And just enjoy the process. And just enjoy the process. Don't just be there waiting for the outcome, waiting for the profits. No, just enjoy yourself. Learn as much as you can. Master it. Do every single step I just gave you here, and you will become profitable. This is more than 10 minutes of completely free sauce for those who really want to see it. But yeah, it's almost time for Asia session, so I need to get off of this. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I know this was less than 15 minutes long. And I know that everybody that watches, that got, honestly, and I know that everybody that got all the way to this point of the video is going to become a profitable trader. So make sure to check all the links down below. Comment what you thought of the video. Hit that like, hit that sub, hit the bell so you never fuck the trading notifications. If you can hear them, I'm sorry. But yeah, thank you for watching. Peace out.